me up like lemonade. We both know it's bittersweet. This sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is
Hey, great day everybody. Happy New Year's Eve. We are in Orlando, Florida, and a storm just hit us as we were walking over to the front to get inside the Uber. But nevertheless, we look fly, so let's go ahead and do a Toy Story tour. So we got Avery, who's on your shirt? He mad, he wet. We got Buzz Lightyear. Then we got Dad. What you got on? Mr. Potato Head. Y'all don't even know y'all characters?
Freddy.
Oh, sorry. Okay, there we go.
Right now.
Oh, name's Freddy? Okay, your turn. What you got on?
I got Buzz Lightyear. Oh, I forgot his name.
Woody?
Oh yeah, Woody.
Woody. Okay, and then I got on Toy Story theme as well. With my whole bag on. Kind of wet though. Oh yeah, Andy.
I want to record myself.
Okay, so here is our current weather situation. It will be happening for the next hour and a half. Very glad this did not happen. We were walking outside because this would have been torturous, okay? We did get wet. My shoes got a little wet, but they living. He has on Crocs, so we definitely gonna probably put on his tennis shoes.
We'll wash these off.
And we'll wash them off, probably get them a little clean. All right, great day, y'all. So we have made it to All Star Movies. Our room was ready as soon as we pulled up in the Uber. The squishing that you hear is my shoe. But we're about to walk to the front and head to the bus to go to EPCOT. And we'll let y'all know how it goes with New Year's Eve and really show y'all the festivities. Just to give you a heads up, I probably may not be talking a lot in a lot of the parts, only because I know that it'll be extremely loud. And so, and I'll be chasing these kids, which is what I'm doing now. See, because
I went through that.
So because I know I'm going to be doing a lot of that and it's going to be extremely crowded, I'm just giving y'all a heads up. But I'm really capturing this as well for the kids and the family so that we can look back on this day and have a good time. But let me give y'all a small little tour right now. So we are staying in the Fantasia building. They have these, I forgot what these things are called, but I'm just going to say the big rooms. We are right by the pool that is extremely empty. It is literally one family over there right now. And then we are going to the main hub to eventually get on the bus, which is over there. But we're going to take our eldest son in the inside because they have the photo booth. He's never stayed here before, but he's also never been here during the holidays, which is why we're kind of doing this holiday thing all over again. Sorry, y'all. Y'all gonna see a lot of mom looks up in this joint. He done walked in a big old puddle of water on purpose. Pray for me, y'all. All right. But all right, let's go in the main building. Okay, y'all, so we've made it to EPCOT Festival for the holidays, or of the holidays, and here is the decor. so 20 minutes later, we got our food. We got cheese pizza. We have garlic truffle fries. We have peanut allergy truffle fries. What's this called? Chicken head and hand breaded sandwich. And Avery got some fries, this pizza, and a drink. And then of course we got Starbucks. Okay, so we are kinda. So we're currently in Living with the Land. They did say a 35-minute wait. However, I felt like we've been in line for all but 15 minutes. And we have about 2 more zigzags to go. So because it continuously moves, I would say when the line says it's a particular length of time, make sure that you check anyway, because I definitely know this is not no 35-minute wait. And we don't have a fast pass or lightning lane this trip. So let's see the Christmas decorations. So we're in the Encanto area celebration, but look at this. All right, y'all, so let the arrow walking begin. So we're gonna follow instructions and go this way. Let's see how crazy it gets tonight with the arrows. We're right behind Spaceship Earth. And we're gonna cut through because I'm not walking around that big old circle. It's not that crowded right now. Hey, what's up, y'all? So we found a little cul-de-sac right over here. We're gonna watch the show at... We're gonna watch the show around 6:30 in about 7 minutes, probably 5 minutes. And then we're gonna head back around the country to go get some eats and see some other New Year's Eve things. And then we're gonna bring it back to the center so that we can see the entire show for New Year's Eve. So can't wait.
To the great gathering. Welcome.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we
Meanwhile, I guess their food was good, y'all.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
1,000 out of 10.
Out here in these streets. He went to his first club with his parents. Should have kept you out to 6 o'clock at night. You wouldn't be able to hang. Can't hang with us. He can't hang with us. He can't hang with us. He said he didn't want to pump, but we got him fist pumping a couple of times. Caught you.
Loved you from the first time you called me lame. Loved you for your wits and your wicked games. Yeah, always on my mind, always in my brain. Yeah, with you the summer came and went in a day. And I've been craving you since the first time that I sat by your side. And I've been on my knees thinking time is gonna fix me inside. No, nothing's gonna make me forget. And I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah, yeah. No, nothing's gonna make me forget. Yeah, I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah, yeah.
Happy New Year. Avery, say Happy New Year. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Happy 2025. Hey, who else? Hey. So we did a 2 a.m. Photo shoot really quickly with Buzz, Woody, and some signs. So we're gonna walk to our room. Thanks so much for everybody connecting, and happy 2025. All right, y'all, so I hope that you've enjoyed our New Year's Eve at Walt Disney World at EPCOT. We really enjoyed ourselves. That was our very first time actually coming to Walt Disney World during this time of year. And so if you are new here, make sure to subscribe and like this video. Let me know how you like the fireworks. Let me know what your goals are for 2025. And I'm getting dark, so goodbye. Happy 2025.
Hey, so we got mommy.
You said record yourself, so talk to it.
Put
it in front of you.
Did you hear?
Hey guys.
And we got me. Oh my god.
Hi, everybody.
Just looks lovely.
Oh. Thank you.